As you mentioned, referencing back when I spoke about the 30s and 40s, it wasn't about the time frame. It was about the effort that, in spite of, we had Black people that wanted and they thirst the knowledge. So they didn't rely on what was their adversities at that moment. They looked at, I'm going to do something with my life in spite of, and that's the desire we need to get back to, as you mentioned. Not everyone have good parents to give parenting skills. What can someone do to improve their skills in a number of areas? And I can't speak for every state, but there are assistants to retrain, retool, reskill. For our veterans, there is assistance to help veterans to retool, get an education or get a certification. Another area of in our lives as far as the employability goes is in the healthcare industry. That's one of the fastest growing industry. When COVID came and people were forced to have be vaccinated and many people died, they it created a shortness in the workforce, and a lot of people didn't come back into the workforce because for those 3 years they were afraid of either dying if they were assisting people in the hospital, or they didn't want to get the COVID shots. So we have a gap in the healthcare industry that, if anybody is interested in retooling themselves, is very well paid and very good compensation. And their local schools and their federal grant monies for individuals who want to go into the healthcare field. I am on a board of a local hospital here, and we're constantly looking for people in the healthcare industry. We've even partnered with a couple of colleges in our local area to make sure that we have internship opportunities and then hiring those individuals as soon as they come out of school. So my mother was a CNA, and my first volunteer work was at, back then we called him a candy striper, volunteering in a nursing home where she worked.